kid here, and I am going to do an example of an exothermic and catalytic reaction. Catalytic means it gives off heat, and exothermic, the opposite. Catalytic means it speeds up something, and the exothermic means it gives off heat. Like, I can predict that it'll give off steam when the eruption happens. All right, let's do it. All right, I'm gonna pour the hydrogen peroxide in here, and this vial of water in the potassium iodide. And because on the test video it didn't go right because the sound was gone, and we didn't do the food coloring right, so let's do it right this time. Alright, I can predict that it'll be green. Alright, now I gotta add some of this. Alright, are y'all ready for the chemical reaction?
Did you stir up the...
Oh yeah, right. I need to stir it up. Now, are y'all ready?
Yes.
Okay, now I think it just ruined my desk.